Hi, welcome to this video. And in this video, I want to share with you how to calculate your return of investment or ROI in your SEO business. Now, before we build a website for SEO, you need to know and understand the cost. So you need to have a domain. Domain is about $10, $20 a year, together with the hosting. Hosting is about average about $100 a year. So in total, you probably pay about $100 to $120 a year for your domain and the hosting. For domain, we're going to buy a .com because that's what the value, the perception that .com is always more valuable in the market. So definitely we're going to buy a .com. You need to buy some softwares for reverse engineering to make our life easier. On average, I'll spend about $100 to $200 for all my softwares. But because we are working in a team, you can actually group buy these softwares and share among each other because you will not fully utilize all these things, right? Articles. Now, this is content for your website. On the most minimum, you need to spend about 10, 15 articles, give and take. And that's the most bare minimum. And you can outsource to local market. You can spend about 40 to 50 ringgit. I'm sure a lot of people will write for you 1,000 word article for about 50 ringgit. But for international market, for native English speaking, you probably need to spend about $30 to $40 on average for a 1,000 word article. So depending on who you hire, or you can write it on yourself, but I strongly suggest don't because you will not get it done. Just outsource and get it done quickly. Yeah? And of course, we need backlinks. Backlinks are links pointing to our website. You need to invest about $300. So give and take, the most bare minimum is going to be $600, but a more comfortable figure that I would say, we're looking at about $1,000, which is about 4,000 ringgit per website to build. Yeah? Think of it as a business investment rather than an expense, and that's where your mind will shift, the mentality. All right. So how much can we make after we invest, right? So a website, a minimal website about $600, will generate about $300 to $400 a month after 12 months. So that is our target. And within the first month, the first 1 year, sorry, we want to get back our return of investment. So whether we spend 600 or 1,000 within the first year, we want to get back our investment. And after the 12th month, that means on the 13th month onwards, we should make money every single month. So if we make the most basic $300 and to $400 per website, we can actually flip this website, sell this website within 18 months for about $3,000 to $4,000, and that is the most minimum. Yeah, to give you an average, a more realistic figure, you probably can make about $500, and you can flip it for about 10,000 USD. Now you said, wait a minute, why do people pay so much? Again, like I said, the ability for you to build a website, people already pay you thousands, right? The ability to do SEO, people already pay you another few thousand. The ability to rank a website and prove that you make money, people will be willing to pay easily 20 times the value of your monthly income. So 20 times is quite a standard. And watch my video on Flipper, where we reverse engineer a lot of these examples of this video, and you'll probably be mind blown by the capability that one of the best business model to go now. So how do we calculate our traffic? How do we make money from our traffic? So on average, traditional paid ads, I run a lot of Google, Facebook ads, it's about 2 to 3% conversion. And that's quite standard. That's quite industry standard across industry, right? But for SEO, it's a little bit higher simply because the intent to purchase it is much higher because people search for you, they come to you, correct or not? But for discussion's sake, we still leave it at 3%. So for example, if you have 1,000 traffic on your website, 3% conversion based on $25 on average per sale, you will make $750 per month. Does it make sense to you? Meaning 3% of 1,000 times 25 will give you $750 a month. So that is how you calculate your ROI. So to make more money, obviously you increase your traffic, you will get much more. In SEO, we don't really care about our conversion that much because our conversion will be fixed industry standard, but we can only do two things to increase our income. Number one, increase our traffic by producing more content, ranking more keywords on the first page of Google. Number two, selling more expensive products as we go along. Does it make sense? So we will start with the most basic, about $25 for affiliate marketing, and we can scale up as we want. Yeah, so that is quite the standard. Yeah. So this is a simple ROI calculator for you. All right. See you in the next video.